Today, we're going to bring a water hose. It's about 50 feet. It has 10 different settings. We're going to take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. Now, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us to demo it and see how well it works. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's open it up. So they give you a nice little bag, if you guys can see that. Nice little setup, I guess for traveling or anything that you're going to have. But pretty much once you set it up, I don't think I'm ever going to take it out again. Look at this. Oh, this is a plus. This is to actually hang the actual water hose and carry it with you if you're going to move from the front yard to the backyard. They give you the actual instructions how to set it up. 2 copper ends, not plastic, they're copper. So these are actually pretty good. Normally you don't get this. So they gave you an over-ring already and they give you extra ones. Now, they do give you one of these plumber's tape. If you guys ever used it, it's actually to cover. If it starts leaking anything, you can always cover this with it. So that's a plus right now. And they give you the actual water hose here. It has 10 different settings, of course. And this is around 50 feet long. So, and this is made of like a material cloth, but of course it expands. So right now it doesn't look like 50 feet. This is a plus. I like this. You could actually nail this in somewhere and maybe hang the water hose somewhere else or carry around from place to place. It's very simple. If you guys can see that. This is a plus. I wasn't expecting that. And actually, when they give you the plumber's tape, that's an extra plus thing. Normally, they don't give the... if you guys can see, this actually has a valve to actually open and close it. I've never seen something like that. That's an extra closure. So in case it starts leaking from one end, you could close it. This will be the actual main line that you're going to connect to, all right? And this will be for the actual water hose, if you guys can see that. And we are going to put it in there. And right now there's an oval ring on that one, so we don't have to worry about anything. We're just going to open it up and test it out and see how it works. So let's go ahead and put it to the use. And this is a plus. I like that. So let's go ahead and replace our old one. All right, so check it out, guys. Look how nice and neat it is. So to turn it on, look at that. You push the up button, simple. And then you got the extra lock. So if you turn it off, you could lock it in there, extra lock. You got level 1 here. If you guys can see, level 1 sprinkles. Number 2, spray. Mist, straight. Look at that. This actually goes down, if you guys can see the actual dials. And this is my favorite one. Look at that. Turn it off, simple. Turn it on, simple. Mist. I like the mist. How about the spray? This is the mist. Target, 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 target. Look at this guy. Shower time.